on the Wi-Fi portion, the Wi-Fi card itself, or the Wi-Fi router, I should say. So double click on this, and we are looking for, let's see, I believe it could be wireless properties. Let me just check. Yeah, wireless properties. And as you can see here, there's a SID name, lab router, and there's lab router 2 for the regular name. But I want to go over here and where it says security. And right now, the security that is using the security algorithm that's being used is WPA personal, and the encryption type is AES. And of course, there's the actual network security key. If you want to show it, you could do it. I'll show it because I'm not. There's my key, right? Now, if I want to change from WPA personal, I can go here. If I want to actually make this router just open, which is not a good thing to do, don't want to do that. But you could use WPA3 personal, which is probably a lot more sophisticated and more secure because it's better than WPA. So now, if we go further down, you can see where it says WPA2 for enterprise, 802.1, and so on. So those are all the nice security features. We're talking about encryption, of course, different types of encryption that's available. Now, if you're curious what WPA allows, WPA3 allows, you can click on that, and you'll see here it only shows you the AES encryption type, and of course you still have to put your key in. Let's see what 802.1 shows. Now, 802.1 gives you this encryption type as a default, right? And that's not secure, so you don't want to use that. But then here, if you see what it says, choose a network authentication method, Microsoft Protected EAP, which is also called PEEP. And Cisco actually had a version of that as well. If you go in here and you click on settings, you'll see a lot of more fun stuff here in reference to security. AAA, Amazon Rule not security, but certificate authorities, right? All that good stuff there too. So you could probably use that option to lock it down a bit more using these new features, but it's all there. I just want to show you where it's located. And also, authentication method, secure password, EAP, Microsoft Chat version 2. This is still kind of old technology. Smart cards or certificates. Well, still using security certificates, but I don't particularly like web. I prefer to use WPA 2 and 3 and so on. And if you have more than 10 or 15 computers, you probably want to go this route here, enterprise. So I'll put it back on my actual WPA personal, which is, and actually, I'll change it to WPA 2. No, I won't, because I have to put a new password. Forget it. WPA personal. Wait a second. Where's my password? Took my password up. I'm going to have to put the password back in there. Well, if I have to put the password back in there, I might as well just go ahead and use WPA2. Right? I'll just put it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I click OK, actually, let's see what advanced settings is. FIPS. Nope. Don't want to go there. Click OK. And close out. And it's going to say not connected, so I got to reconnect. See what that does. Come on.